the Target Dog Polly Pocket toy. Now we're gonna open it right now. I got this at Target because it has a Target dog. The front looks like a Target dog has coffee. And that's the best part because Target dog has coffee. I got this for $90.99. And this is what it looks like. It comes with these items, and you can switch the doors open or close like the real Target. Let's open it now. Okay, guys, look at this shopping cart. There's some details on it. You put a Target sign on it, even some holes. Tiny coffee. Let's pop it out. Oh! And this tiny coffee has a lot of details on it, and we can put it on this little, on the Target cart. See? And the grapes. We have a basketball. No. This is really hard to take out. Okay, now I'm gonna take out this. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this Target thing. You can open and close these. And we can put the grapes. Oh my gosh. And we can put the grapes in here. Oh, they're actually strawberries. I thought they were grapes. I thought they were grapes at first. So let's get this one out. Get this out. Bro, this is really hard. There it goes getting out, guys. This is a Target Polly Pocket. And there's even the slide that you could open and close. Let's attach it now. Bro. I can open it now. Now look at the inside. The broom is... I don't know what this is. Put it in the bag. It's on the floor. There it goes in the bag. Coffee on here. This is slipping out of my hands. Let's put the coffee. Let's put the shopping cart over here. There. Now let's take out the other stuff. Let's take out this is I just got this out. This is a little plant with a little kitty face, and it has a little plant thingy. And then I can put it right here on this side. And this wheelchair, this man has to go in the wheelchair. I don't know why. Does it go like this or like this? Now he's on the wheelchair. Now let's put him right. Hold on, he doesn't fit to take this. Oh, see? Do you see him? Oh no. Where is it? Now let's put the leash on Target Dog. So cute. There's a little baby Target Dog. Now let's put it, hold on, I'm gonna put the slide down. Now let's put it in his house. Let's put the teddy bear right here. And it looks like this in there. I think it's all I like it. And I do like it really much because it comes with a little elevator too. So it goes up and down. See. I think I can do with this Polly Pocket, and it can fold it up and take it in the car that he got at Target. This is my brother.
Sure to like and subscribe. Also, I have a message. It's been so long since I made a video, and I want to be in more videos so I can get more subscribers. And yeah, that's it.
Bye, everybody.